you know the water cycle's been around for hundreds of millions of years? Even the dinosaurs drank the water that you are drinking today. The water cycle is powered by the sun, which you can see behind me. And now we're going to explain the different parts of the water cycle. Water is unique because it exists in all three states, as a gas, a liquid, and a solid. The first one we're going to look at is a gas. Now we're going to look at evaporation in action. See the steam rising up? Right here? That's evaporation in action. You can see this when you boil water for spaghetti noodles. The next form of water state that we're going to look at is a solid. Water exists as a solid in the form of ice. You can see this in the environment when water droplets are falling down to earth and the air temperature is below 30 degrees, and it'll form a solid known as hail. It's cold. The next state of water we're going to look at is a liquid. You can see water as a liquid every day when you grab a glass of water. You can see water in the environment every day in rivers, lakes, and streams. Now that you know the three states water exists in, now we're going to talk about the 4 stages of the water cycle. The first stage is evaporation. Evaporation occurs when the sun heats up the water and the water molecules begin to rise into the atmosphere. Remember when we boiled water and you saw the steam? That was evaporation. We're going to look at it again. That's evaporation in action. The next stage of the water cycle is condensation. This occurs when water is evaporated and the evaporation molecules begin to rise, and as they cool, they begin to form clouds. The next stage of the water cycle is precipitation. When water molecules begin to form in clouds, the clouds cannot hold all the water, so it begins to fall. This is called precipitation. You can see it as rain, sleet, and snow. The final stage of the water cycle is collection. As water falls to earth, it collects in rivers, lakes, and streams. Now you know the water cycle. The water cycle is Earth's way of recycling the same water the dinosaurs drank millions of years ago. Thanks, Earth.